So hello everyone, myself Dr. Vikrant Singh. So today we will discuss two questions from previous year of JEE Mains. So first question you can see on the screen, that a plus bx plus cx square whole power 10 is equal to summation of pi xi, where abc, which is very important, abc is natural number, and if p1 is equal to 20 and p2 is equal to 210, then find the value 2 times of a plus b plus c. So firstly we know multinomial theorem, so we have to use the multinomial theorem here, right? So how we get the coefficients of x and x square? We have to use the multinomial theorem, because the p1 is the coefficient of x. Simply we can write, just for reference I am writing that this bx plus c square whole power 10 is equal to p naught, right, plus p1x plus p2x square up to p20 x20. Simple. Now in the given question, if you see, p1 is given and p2 is given, so p1 and p2 are the coefficients of x and x square respectively. So how we get these coefficients directly? Because there are three terms, so we have to use the multinomial theorem. So in case 1, if you see, so case 1, so if you see how to distribute the powers, so a to the power 9 we can say, and b to the power x whole power 1 and cx square whole power 0. In multinomial theorem, the sum of the indices must be equal to this n, that is 10. So we have to distribute this power 10 so that the summation is coming to be 10, but we get the required degree of x. And if we get these values, now we can write the coefficient by multinomial theorem, that is 10 factorial upon 9 factorial upon 1 factorial upon 0 factorial. Okay, so no other case is there to, because if we put here 1, then the degree is x square, right? So only possible case for x to the power 1 is this, and this is equal to p1x, that is 20x. Simple. So this is equal to p1x. So if you see simply 20x, so simply simplify this, so we will get 10 a to the power 9 b x 20x. So from here we can simply say that a to the power 9 b is equal to 2. Simple. And we know that a, b, c are natural numbers, so only possibility you can say is a must be equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. So we will get the values of a equal to 1 and b equal to 2 by only using this equation, because numbers are natural number. So only possible case is a equal to 1 and b equal to 2, right? Now we have to find c, and to find c we have to use the coefficient of x square, right? So we will use the coefficient of x square. So x square coefficient, that is p2, is 210, right? So p2 is 210. So we can simply write, how to write p2? So case 2, a bx and cx square. We have to distribute 10 in these terms so that the coefficient is coming to be so that the degree is coming to be x square. So suppose we give 2 power here, then we have to give 8 power here and 0 here. Another possible case must be, if we give 1 power here, then the possible result here we have to give 0 here and 9 here. So 2 possible cases is there for x square coefficient. So we will write the coefficient by using the multinomial theorem, right? That is 10 factorial upon 8 factorial upon 2 factorial upon 0 factorial e to the power 8 bx whole square and cx square equal to 0, right? Then plus 10 factorial upon 9 factorial upon 0 factorial upon 1 factorial e to the power 9 bx whole power 0 cx square whole power 1, and this summation is coming to be equal to p2 x square, and p2 is 210, right? So we will write, now we have to simplify this. So simply we will simplify this. 10 factorial upon 8 factorial upon 2 factorial, that is coming to be, after simplification, 10 into 9 by 2 and a8 b square x square plus 10 a9 c x square is equal to 210 x square. Now x square cancel out, so here we get 45 e to the power 8 b square plus 10 times of a9 c is equal to 210. Simple. Now we will put the value of a and b here to get value of c. So 45 into 1 plus 2 square plus 10 times of 1 to the power 9 into c is equal to 210. Simple. Now we have to simplify this. 45 into 4, that is 180 plus 90, no, that is 10c is equal to 210. So from here c is equal to 21 minus 18, right? that is 3. So final answer for twice of a plus b plus c is equal to twice of 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is coming to be 12. So very simple, tricky question, not a very simple question, because the most important thing in this question is a, b, c are natural numbers. Otherwise you are not able to solve this question. So this is very important in this contest. Another question we have, question second. This is also of binomial coefficient, so we will see this. So expansion of 1 minus x whole power 100 is equal to 100 c0 minus 100 c1 x plus 100 c2 x square minus 100 c3 x cube. 100 c50 minus 100 c51 x51 and so on. We can write this up to 100 c100 plus x to the power 100. This we know. We also know that binomial coefficients are symmetric in the expansion from, if we compare the values of 100 c0 and 100 c100, the value will be same. Similarly, just second last term from last, if you see 100 c99 is equal to 100 c1, and that is also negative. So the series is repeating from here. If you see, now we will put x equal to, x is equal to 1. Now see, if we put, then LHS becomes 0, and 100 c0 minus 100 c1 plus 100 c2 and so on up to minus of 100 c49 plus of 100 c50. And if you see from here, 100 c51 and from here 100 c51 and 100 c52 up to plus 100 c100. Simple. Now if you see, this value is equal to, this value is equal to this, and just before that, if you write the term 100 c99, this value is equal to this. So similarly, this series is continued, and if you see, this value is equal to 100 c48 and this value is equal to 100 c49. So in short, we can say that this whole value in bracket is equal to this value. What we can say, this value. So this value is equal to this, right? So what we can say, we can simply write here that 0 is equal to, I suppose this term as a, then a plus 100 c 50 my plus a is equal to, so twice of a is equal to 100 c 50, and a is coming to be twice of a is equal to minus of this, so minus 1 by 2 100 c 50. Now we have to simplify this. Now 100 factorial, you can write this like 100 into 99 factorial upon 50 factorial upon 50 factorial minus of 1 by 2, right? So this is coming to be after simplification, if we see, this is coming to be 50, so 50, so from 49, so we can write this as 50. So we have to see the options. What are the options we have? The options are in 99 or 101. So 101 is not possible, but 99 option is possible. So we have to see this. We have to do the simplification. So this is 50, and we can write this as 50 into 49 factorial into 50 factorial into 99 factorial. So 50 gets cancelled out, and we can say that this is coming to be 99c 49, and that's our answer. So I hope you are able to follow these two questions. So thank you everyone.